In today's video, you're going to learn how to make pulled pork carnitas with a bit of a twist. We're going to be adding smoke with a Masterbuilt Gravity Fed Smoker. Okay, so what we have here is a 1.8, 1.9 kilo pork neck. You'll also find this at the supermarket as a pork scotch. It's got some nice fats, some connective tissues, really lends itself to low and slow, so it should work really well for the cook today. We've got some yellow mustard just as a binder. We're also going to be using some Porkinator today. This has got a little bit of that sweet, that salty, some nice citrus tang, so it should work really well with this style pulled pork, these tacos we're doing. Now that that's all prepped, we're going to fire up the Masterbuilt, set it to about 300 Fahrenheit, and in it goes. Okay, so we've got our Masterbuilt 1050 up to temp now. We're going to put our stainless steel manifold cover in, along with our water pan brackets from Flaming Coals. These will help protect the manifold because we're cooking pork and it's going to drop a lot of fat and a lot of mess. Reduces flare up, makes your clean up a bit easier, and it allows us to suspend a water pan underneath it, keeping everything nice and moist for our pulled pork. Okay, so our pork neck's been in the smoker for about 3 hours. We've got beautiful color on it, plenty of smoke in it. Now we're gonna add some chicken stock, some orange juice and the rind from the orange. Don't miss it. The rind is really, really, really important. We're gonna wrap it back up, back in the smoker again. We want this to just be fall apart tender. Okay, so we've taken our pork neck out. We've got that sitting aside, just resting at the moment, just relaxing, reabsorbing some of that moisture. Now we're going to whack together just a little salsa to go along with it. So we've got some nice, ideally overripe tomatoes. I've got some jalapenos for a bit of a buzz. We've got some white onion, some more tang, so some lime, fresh lime juice. And because we're not heathens, coriander. Lots of coriander. So we've taken out our pork neck after about 5.5, 6 hours. So that was 3 hours in the smoker unwrapped, then in the liquid and wrapped for another 2.5, 3 hours. It's all probing nicely. It's gonna just tear apart. We've drained most of the liquid out, not all. I've kept a little bit in there because that's flavor. We're gonna shred it while we've got the Masterbuilt jacking up the temperature a little bit to try and get a bit of crisp into it. All right, let's get messy. Yeah, that works. It's good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I hope you enjoy the pulled pork carnitas. Check out the recipe in the description below. Click the link. Thanks for listening to The Voice.